take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Due to Fine's status, Bremer believed he was replaced so that the franchise could add a bigger name. Beyond that, the role was much more demanding and the filmmakers likely wanted someone who was already established in the industry.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Robert Knox. Marcus Belby was played by Robert Knox in the film adaptation of Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. On the 24th of May 2008, the actor playing Belby, Robert Knox, was stabbed to death by Carl Bishop outside the Metro bar next to the suburban rail station in Sidcup, London, while defending his younger brother.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Goyle's role in the book is replaced by Blaze's. This is because on the 7th of April 2009 Crabbe's actor, Jamie Waylett, and another man were arrested for cannabis possession and later tried and sentenced to community work.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.